Welcome back. Oh yeah, it is a baby carrot.
Yeah.
So right now I'm about to rototill. It's been soaking this little area right here. So we're gonna get about 4 vertical rows in this area. Might turn to horizontal. Hold on. Spread some of this through to rototill it through my soil. Big carrot, bro. So I'm about to start right here. Go down about 6. About as deep as you can, actually. So I'm about to add all that into my soil as I go along. I'm gonna stop at the pinwheel. The soil is pretty rich. Been here like 3 years, and it's the 3rd garden here, but you know, previous ones. Hold up. So I'm about to go back over it once. Yeah, we gotta make the rows. Go back over it the opposite way. Hold up. So here we are. You go inside, baby.